Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Mr. Fly the Sky Reacts. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Today we're going to be watching the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series at Martinsville, NASCAR on Fox Highlights. Yes sir. So I already know Byron won, my favorite driver of all, of course, but I didn't see like some of the race. I mostly just saw the end, so we're watching highlights. Yes sir.
Will start on the inside, two-time winner this season. Kyle Busch, 61 wins all time on the outside. Green and Martinsville. That didn't take long.
Okay, those 200 laps.
For the action to heat up, mid road stops hard into turn one.
These night races, though.
He's going to clear Kyle Busch on that inside. We talk about this racetrack being so inside dominant. When you can make some time on the outside, it's right after a start or a restart, like Stuart Friesen was trying to do. Now in that blue truck, he's going to back in behind John Hunter Nemechek. And Vince, at some point, you just got to say it's not worth it right now. We don't want to. They're on low air pressure on their tires. We don't want to upset the tires this early in the run, so you just have to cut your losses sometimes. That's in there in the 15, as Mike mentioned.
More like cut your tires. Oh, no, I can. Breaking big, breaking big.
And the 44 is Chris Wright. Right driving away, but definitely some contact and some damage. A lot of damage. Significant for Jack Wood. He's talking to his guys down
Jack Woody. Woody, my booty, booty, booty. Bro, you're crashing on lap 9.
We don't know what's going on under the hood. He could have gotten into that radiator. A lot of damage to the front, but as long as there's no water streaming from it, should be fine. Like you said, it's not enough damage, but man, look how stoved in it is there in the middle of the front. And the very bottom
he might have
right
some
above that
damage.
splitter, that flat black piece is where the air intake is into the radiator. Obviously the ductwork's going to be all destroyed, and so it's going to be an issue for him. You feel like you put the best
His engine's going to overheat.
Bring them out of the shop all finely tuned, just knowing
He
what
looks
lies
fine.
ahead when you come here to Martinsville, all the carnage that exists. Let's see if we can look at where it starts. Chris Wright just got around. Looked like he just sees black marks there. Just
My guy went
too much
neon.
gas up high on the racetrack, right in front of Jack Wood. Jack had absolutely nowhere to go. Bam! You see the contact right there. Well, what a tough break for Jack Wood, who's, he's a rookie trying to get off to a good start this season, and he's got 3 of the 4 races he's finished outside the top 30. Just cannot catch a break for the youngster. Now he has his teammate Ty Majeski, who had issues
Dude.
at the start. Restarted from the back of the field because of those issues. Watch this. Let's see if we can figure out what happens here.
Oh, there's Byron.
Just decides
Stop.
he's moving over, and that's not fair. It's all the way back for 20
Well,
seconds.
Sauter is an idiot.
Byron narrowly avoiding it, diving down.
Get him out of the truck series. He can't drive.
Watch it again. There's a lot of damage to Haley Deegan's truck right there. Yeah.
What is he doing?
That left front tire can't stand that much.
Keep this guy on late models and let him back in.
Really unfortunate for Deegan. Final lap of stage 1, and Zane Smith, who won here.
There's a whole car there. Isn't like a little bit of a car, it's the whole car or truck, I guess. And you're going up the racetrack like an idiot.
That was a clinic, wasn't it? I mean, wow. Straight up dominated stage 1. Oh, 3 wide at Martinsville. And William Byron says, I think I'm going to take this spot. And he knows that. He knows he's 3 wide. And he knows he's on the inside, so he gave him plenty of room.
Byron. The better than that row is 6, I know.
Rhodes crosses the line, 1 to go. Final lap
He got some good points for stage 2. The Benedetto.
With Kyle Busch. And he's a couple spots ahead of Kyle Busch and Crafton. Ben Rhodes gonna lock up stage win number 3 this season. Oh, 3 wide at Martinsville. Austin Wayne Self getting in there.
That don't
wasn't
work.
The 20 of Stoyer.
No,
but
we get out well.
Initially, here comes Stoyer. Oh yeah. So Stoyer didn't have any choice. Maybe a little bit of contact from that 20 truck, but the damage was already done. He did a nice job. That truck turning right in front of his lap, right in his lap, and he was able to get by without any significant contact. Tanner Gray got a little damage. Yep. With the way his season started, granted he was second in COTA, but just the way his season
Guys,
started,
stop going
just
free
another
wide,
solid
you
run.
idiots.
Friesen is around. Eckes. Well, that was Ben Rhodes that
Yeah, that
started
3
that.
wide was wasn't going to work, but Rhodes was on the bottom.
It was
Eckes
Eckes' fault.
And Friesen was up top when they were all right there.
Can't
for 7th.
squish Rhodes
A little bit of credit, though. He had more
into
than
the curb and not expect to wreck.
There's going to be some debate on what ruler you use.
Several 100%
You
more than
squished Rhodes into the curb, and then Rhodes came up, and you went up into Friesen, and now you're mad.
Whether you tried to block him.
Eckes
He
is
was
mad.
obviously way down towards the inside of the racetrack, but what a tough break for Stuart Friesen. Had another solid run going. John Lundert is
Friesen also maybe should have sent it free wide.
Absolutely, yeah. He's going to be at the back of the pack.
Eckes radio.
Yo, hey, calm down. Hey, relax. We're still good. Relax. We're still good, buddy. Relax. Hey, the only way he's going to beat you is has to move you. You're way better than he is. We're still good here.
We should point out those three are teammates. We'll use the air quotes that Michael likes so much. Teammates at ThorSport.
You remember the top of the show, we talked about the Xfinity teammates, John Hunter and Ty Gibbs last week.
That's just a good solid move there for Eckes to get to the bottom, but watch what happens on 2. Gets a little bit loose.
Bro, get on my screen. Stupid idiot. Get on my fucking screen.
Loose on the bottom, and who sees opportunity?
And Rhodes sent it. And then Friesen sent it. And then Eckes sent it. And then everybody sent it. Everybody sent it into the corner. What is this?
Yeah, Rhodes and Eckes teammates, and there was contact there for sure. And
Y'all stop sending it in.
got the worst of it. He runs 11th as a caution.
Y'all reckon
has
again?
come out, and in the midst of all that smoke is the 0-2 of Jesse Little.
They smoking. Yeah.
Jesse was up inside the top 20, having a nice second half of this race, but obviously turned around there off turn 2.
Every time I look where the Benedetto is, he keeps on like slowly dropping.
That Chevrolet up, hasn't he?
Nothing's gone right for right.
Nothing's gone right for right.
Michael, sorry.
He said
You
first.
just couldn't hold it
I
back.
was going to go with everything's gone wrong for right, but then I pivoted. Unfortunate for that team. You see, Little's around.
Don't know if maybe there was contact from the 30 of Tate Fogelman before we saw that shot. You see a lot of damage to the front of the 32, Brett Holmes.
And Brett could, and you can see, Chris Wright could not see anything.
There was contact right there. You can see it from Tate Fogelman. And then Brett Holmes with nowhere to go runs in the back of Tate Fogelman.
And when Jesse lit that thing up, Phil, you know, you can't see through that smoke.
Byron down the backstretch, and as
Let's go, Byron.
Phil mentioned, you just don't want to caution right now if you're William Byron. You don't want to have to do it on a restart and take the chance of somebody getting you 2 laps remaining. A mile left for William Byron.
Wait, just let me see that white flag. Then these guys can do whatever they want. Just let me get to this white flag.
What an impressive run it has been with Bono Mannion and Rudy Fugle on top of the box.
Yeah,
Guiding
sorry.
the way for William Byron in the final lap.
Imagine he locked it up in the last corner to pull a Larson, you know.
Any sort of regularity with any sort of
He had a flat tire in the last corner, pulled a Larson, you know. He pulled a Larson just like his teammate. That he didn't know, he just drove it on.
Good job, guys. Good job, Bono. Great job. Awesome job, guys. Great job. Thanks, Bono. Thanks.
Sheesh.
Winning feels so good, especially this historic Martinsville.
He gets him a clock.
Half mile, get a clock out of the deal, be able to hug his team, and
Oh yeah, he got a
just so
clock.
thankful for
I completely
the
forgot about the
opportunity to race here in
clock.
NASCAR.
It's amazing, you know, I mean, he didn't even start racing till 2012.
Doggo, please be quiet. Doggo, I'm trying to record a video. Mr. Doggo, okay, you good now? No. What's going on with the camera here? Oh, they're flashing the lights. Oh, an idiot. Sheesh.
It's not a short. I don't think so.
Bro, everybody there, what the fuck is going on? Stop flashing the fucking lights. Come on. Oh my brightness. Byron, can you? The wall.
I said, well, it's a little too early to tell, honey. And after he ran about two truck races, I called her up and said, yes, yes, really good.
It didn't take long to see the
I said,
talent.
do you want to fight?
Mentioned a little
I
while ago.
think that's it.
In the Cup car in Atlanta.
There he's just walking along the side here.
Saturday night at Martinsville.
I can't wait to watch those cup cars here.
Yeah, he's just talking.
Big old brakes, a lot of grip on the exit.
Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day. Yeah, great days, guys. Bye.